Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the timestamps plugin in Adobe Premiere Pro for free. As you can see here, I actually enabled some of the markers, but first let me show you how to install this plugin. First, you need to open the Adobe Creative Cloud application. If in case you are using any Jack Sparrow version, you are not going to get this app. So once you open this, I mean the paid version, so this is how the interface will look like. Here on the right side you can see the plugins option. Click on it. So this is the plugin you need to install. You can directly search in the plugin section to find this is how the logo looks like, but make sure first you close the Premiere Pro, then only it will install. After installing, open the Premiere Pro. First make sure you added all the markers here. So once you made it the markers, go to the window, then go to extensions. Here you can see the option called YouTube chapters. So click on this YouTube chapters. As you can see, this is the window you will get. So make sure you uncheck the things which you didn't added. As you can see, I added the comments here. So enable this and click on get YouTube chapters. As you can see, the YouTube chapters are generated. Simply you can copy all these and paste it in your YouTube description. If you don't know how to add the timestamps for your YouTube video, click this video to know more about it. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.